What if I told you that Australia is under attack? Not by an army, but by destructive invaders reshaping its ecosystems? Get ready, because we're about to unmask the top 10 most wanted criminals of the Australian animal kingdom. Before we begin, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. Now, let's start the countdown. Number 10. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is an intruder you would never expect, the smooth newt. Don't let its harmless appearance fool you. This little amphibian is a toxic terror carrying chytrid fungus, a disease deadly to Australia's native frog populations. Originally from Europe, it hitched a ride to Melbourne and now poses a silent but lethal threat to the country as delicate aquatic ecosystems. Its ability to spread devastating pathogens makes it a small but mighty danger. Number 9. Next, slithering into the number 9 spot, we have the black slug. This slimy stowaway from Europe might seem slow, but its impact is fast and furious on native plants and agricultural crops. These voracious eaters can decimate vegetation, altering habitats, and outcompeting native invertebrates for food. Furthermore, they can carry parasites that are harmful to both wildlife and domestic animals, making them a gooey, gross, and growing problem. Number 8. Charging into number 8 is the iconic yet infamous dromedary camel. Yes, the ship of the desert is a massive problem in the outback, with Australia hosting the largest wild population on Earth. These one-humped wanderers consume vast amounts of vegetation, trample sensitive ecosystems, and destroy vital water sources, putting immense pressure on native species. Their sheer size and numbers make them a surprisingly destructive force across the arid heart of the continent. Number 7. At number 7, we find a beast of burden turned biblical plague, the water buffalo. Introduced for farming in the 19th century, these behemoths now roam wild in the northern wetlands, and their impact is anything but gentle. Their heavy bodies trample delicate vegetation, erode riverbanks, and muddy pristine waterholes, transforming lush habitats into barren wastelands. These powerful herbivores drastically alter the landscape, threatening the survival of countless native aquatic species. Number 6. Galloping into the number 6 position is the feral horse or brumby. While romanticized in folklore, the reality of these animals is a brutal assault on Australia's fragile alpine regions. They cause severe soil erosion with their hard hooves, pollute critical water catchments, and outcompete native wildlife like wombats and wallabies for scarce food. Their unchecked populations are pushing unique and irreplaceable ecosystems, like those in the snowy mountains, to the brink of collapse. Number 5. Breaking into our top 5 is a notoriously destructive creature, the feral pig. These highly intelligent and adaptable omnivores are like ecological bulldozers, tearing up vast tracts of land with their snouts in search of food. They destroy crops, prey on native animals like lambs and turtle eggs, and spread devastating diseases like foot and mouth. Their destructive habits cost the agricultural industry millions and leave a trail of environmental ruin wherever they roam. Number 4. Hopping into the number 4 spot is a cane-covered catastrophe, the cane toad. Introduced in 1935 in a spectacularly failed attempt to control cane beetles, this toxic amphibian has become one of Australia's most infamous pests. Poisonous at every stage of its life, it kills native predators, from snakes to crocodiles, that try to eat it, causing massive population crashes. Their relentless march across the continent is a textbook example of a biological control experiment gone horribly wrong. Number 3. At number 3, we have an animal that proves looks can be deceiving, the European rabbit. Brought over for a touch of home and a spot of hunting, these fluffy-tailed menaces unleash an ecological apocalypse on an unprecedented scale. Their explosive breeding and insatiable appetite have stripped landscapes bare, leading to massive soil erosion and the extinction of numerous native plant and animal species. They are, without a doubt, the most significant vertebrate pest in Australia's history. Number 2. Stalking its way to the number 2 position is the cunning and deadly red fox. Introduced for recreational hunting, this sly predator has had a catastrophic impact on Australia's native fauna, particularly small to medium-sized ground-dwelling mammals and birds. The fox is a primary driver behind the decline and extinction of several species, including many bandicoots and bitongs. Its intelligence and adaptability make it an incredibly efficient killer, a red shadow of death across the landscape. Number 1. And finally, claiming the grim title of Australia's most dangerous invasive animal at number 1 is the feral cat. These silent, stealthy super predators are the single greatest threat to Australia's native wildlife, killing an estimated 2 billion reptiles, birds, and mammals every single year. Responsible for the majority of Australia's mammal extinctions, they are masters of survival, thriving in every corner of the continent from scorching deserts to dense rainforests. They are, quite simply, the ultimate killing machines. So the next time you picture Australia, remember the hidden war being waged. These 10 invaders are more than just pests. They are ecosystem assassins, rewriting the story of a continent one species at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more wildlife rankings. Stay curious.